Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is continuing to my series video. But before I start this video, I want to say something. I know I'm perfect. I'm in my specialized like Arabic language because of my experience, because of my master degree, because of a lot of things. I'm perfect. I know I'm perfect at that. But what I'm not perfect at is technology. So I'm new on this stuff like YouTube, like making video, like stuff like this, like Photoshop montage and stuff like this. Uh, I'm not really good at it. If I found someone really good in it, I will ask him for help. So please forgive me for anything about like montage and stuff like this. But don't worry about the science, the Arabic language. I'm sure about it. I'm perfect at it. I know what I'm doing. I know well what I'm doing. So, when I tell you, you have to look at the letter every time you start to have a new one, to have a new letter, or if you start to listen to one of my videos, I want you to know with your eyes and with your mind the shape of the letter. Okay? Let me start with you to share this. I think this is the last video of letters. So we will go to the how to write the letter in Word. Okay, how to use the letter in some words. Okay, so the purpose of this, I know from my experience with a lot of students that if you look a lot of times to the shape of the letter and pronounce the letter. You know already how to pronounce this letter and you know already how to write this letter. Okay, how we will use it in the inside the word. Almost, not all, but almost all the letters we have the first section of letters like this. We will use this section to write it inside the word. And this time, and the same here, we will have the first section. And the same here, we will have the first section. Okay, but word letter like this, we will have the whole shape of it. This we will have the whole shape, and this we will have the whole shape. Okay, this one we will have the first section of this shape. Okay, so the next video, inshallah, I will talk to you how to write the first letter inside the word, how to pronounce it, how to connect it to the previous letter and the next letter. Okay. Now, I'm talking with you because I just have a little bit of letters. We didn't have to write a lot of letters today, so we finish until noon letter. So we will have ha, wow, yeah, and please, according to my orders, if you want to know Arabic language just for 1 week. If you are like 20 years old or something, you will need just 1 week. If you are like 9 years, 10 years old, like until 13, okay, you will need to a month continue looking at this letter, pronounce it this letter until you know the shape perfectly. If you are more than 13 until 20, 21, 25, okay, um, maybe 30 also, you can look at this letter and pronounce it for a week, just 1 week. You will know, your memorizing will be better than the youngest one. Okay, so let us continue this. ألف باء تاء ثاء جيم حاء خاء دال ذال راء زاي سين شين صاد ضاد طاء ظاء عين غين فاء قاف كاف لام ميم نون هاء واو ياء. We will write today ha and wow and yeah. How to pronounce it, how to write it. And I will tell you something. There is something. There is ra and zay for a computer writing, for book writing. But I teach you how to write the ra and zay with the regular writing, which handwriting. Okay, how to you do it like Arabic people. And the ha letter, this is ha for the computer writing or for the like books writing. But I will teach you how to write it with the regular writing and the same wow. And we also finish with the yeah. It's easy, even if we do it with anyway. And the meme writing, I tell you about the regular writing and the book writing. Okay. So don't forget to pronounce these letters. I know from my experience that from 9 years old until 13 years old, you have to look for this like 1 month. Repeat it every day once and look at it when you pronounce it. Look at every letter when you pronounce it. Okay. If you are more than 13 years old and you go to 25 or 27, 20 like you are older, you just need for 1 week, you will remember every letter and you will remember every shape. That's from my experience. Okay. I'm sure about that because a lot of students, I deal with them. So I will give you now how to write the letter ha and wow and yeah. I'm sure that you are prepared with your notebook and with your pen or pencil if you are young. Okay. The regular writing for ha is like triangle. Go to left. Don't forget to draw a cave here and go. Like a mountain with a cave for a bear. How we could pronounce it? It's like each letter. Okay? It's ha. Ha. Then wow letter. This is writing for the regular writing. This is regular writing for wow. Sister Amel, can you write it for the computer writing or for the book writing? Yes, I could do that, but it has to be with the certain pencil. I should do it with the certain way. Okay, so this is called wow letter. We could say it's W, and sometimes we use it like O letter. Okay, sometimes we use it like O, and sometimes we use it like wow. So ha, wow. The last one is like C letter, then go down, around, and up. It's yeah letter. The most important thing in this letter is two dot down. When we found two dot down, it's yeah, the last letter of the Arabic language. If we found two dot up anywhere, it's ha, it's T letter. Okay, what's the point here? The point, if I'm talking about T letter, you will remember it if you pronounce the letter a lot of times. Like I advised you a lot of times. Okay, so yeah letter, it's like this. We use it like this. Okay, sorry. I think it's not good at writing. I'll write it like this. And sometimes we use it like I letter. Okay, so ha, Let me have my spot. هاء واو ياء. هاء واو ياء. Now I can say congratulations, you finish all the letter of Arabic language. The next video, inshallah, will talk about connection between the letter and the other letters. Like we will start with the Alif letter and how to connect between Alif and the previous letter and the next letter in the word. How to pronounce all the word. Okay? See you in next video. Thank you so much. Follow me in this series video. And if you want any, if you know any advice about technology, about montage, about stuff like this, I will be thankful if you tell me about it. Thank you so much and goodbye. See you next video.